Hello. In this video, you're going to see how to install table themes for iPoker. iPoker themes can only be used with a software called iPokerTools. If you don't have it installed, then first download and install iPokerTools, and then we can begin installing the theme. You can find the download link in the included README file. Step 1. Download the zip file with the theme to your computer. You can download it after your purchase is complete, and you are redirected back to the download page. You can also find the download link in your purchase receipt email. I already have the zip file with the theme here on my desktop. Step 2. Extract the files from the zip file. You can do it by opening it, and then just dragging the files out, or right-click on the zip file, and choose Extract. Step 3. Run the theme installer. If iPokerTools is installed into the default location, then you don't need to change the destination folder location during the installation. But if you have it installed somewhere else, then choose the correct folder. Step 4. Run iPokerTools. Step 5. Go to the General tab and select Layout, and everything under there: Table Theme, Slider, Dealer, etc. If you don't want to change some table elements, then you can leave those unchecked. Step 6. Go to Editor, Layout. Now you should see a preview of the new table theme, except for the seats, which can't be changed with iPoker version 20 clients. If you don't see the theme you just installed, then you installed it into a wrong folder. Go and check where your iPokerTools is installed and install the theme into the same folder. Step 7. Run your iPoker client, but don't open any tables yet. Step 8. Click Start in iPokerTools. Congratulations! You can now observe a random table to confirm the theme is working, and then you can start playing with your new theme. iPokerTools has to be running while you play. These instructions are also included in the README file, with some additional info about the theme. Good luck at the tables!